In this question, we have to show that all the chords of a given curve is 3x square minus y square minus 2x plus 4y equal to 0. All the chords of these curves which subtend right angle at origin all are concurrent. In order to show that, we take a chord, let y equal to mx plus c be a chord of curve number 1. Now, if this y equal to mx plus c is a chord of curve 1 and it's subtending right angle at origin, then we will use concept of homogenization. The given question is, we have to show that all the chords of the given curve number 1 which subtend right angle at origin all are concurrent. So this is the given curve and let this be the chord of this curve. Now if we want to find out pair AO and BO, then we will use homogenization. By the line L, we can write y minus mx divided by c equal to 1. Here c is not equal to 0. By the line, we have this. Now we will homogenize number 1 by this. 3x square minus y square plus 4y minus 2x multiplied with 1 y minus mx divided by c equal to 0. So we will have 3c x square minus cy square plus 4y minus 2x y minus mx equal to 0. Now this combined equation shows pair OA and OB. This equation, which is homogeneous equation in x and y, shows the pair OA and OB. And if angle AOB is 90 degree, if angle AOB is equal to pi by 2, then coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. So by equation number 2 we have 3c plus 2m, coefficient of x square 3c plus 2m, and coefficient of y square which is minus c, and plus 4, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. So we will have here 2c plus 2m plus 4 equals 0, or we can rewrite this equation as 2 equal to minus m minus c. Now this is a relation in c and m. So if we compare equation L and equation L1, then we will have 2 divided by y and x and minus 1 divided by x and minus 1 divided by 1. So the point comes out to be 1 comma minus 2 xy. This is the required point from which all those chords passes which subtend right angle at the origin. Now we summarize the question again. We have the curve and we have to show that all the chords which subtend right angle at origin are concurrent. So first of all, we have taken this chord, we have assumed this chord Now we will use concept of homogenization. For homogenization we make 1 by the given line and then we homogenize the curve 1. After homogenization, equation 2 shows combined equation of OA and OB. If angle AOB is 90 degree, then coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square must be 0. Then coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0 gives this. Now we have another relation in C and M. If we compare relation L1 with L, then we will have point 1 comma minus 2. So the required point is 1 comma minus 2. Remember, this is only the first part of given question. We have one more part in the question in which we have some other curve and we have to show a result like that. So this is the first part of the question. In the same question, second part. In second part, we have a different curve. The curve is given as 3x square plus 3y square minus 2x plus 4y equals 0. This is curve, given curve C. And we have to show all those chords of this curve which subtend right angle at origin are concurrent. So let y equal mx plus c be a chord of this curve. We draw a rough figure in which this represent curve C and this represent line L. If chord subtend right angle at origin, then again at point O we are having an angle of pi by 2. The curve is given. Here we are assumed the chord of given curve and it is given all those chords which we have to show that all those chords which subtend right angle at origin are concurrent. So this is the assumed chord. Now we use concept of homogenization. For homogenization by L, we can have y minus mx divided by c equal 1. Here c not equal to 0. And on homogenization C by equation number 1, we get 3x square plus 3y square plus 4y minus 2x y minus mx divided by c equal to 0. Now the equation number 2 shows the combined equation of AO and BO. Equation number 2 which we are getting after homogenization represent combined equation of AO and BO. If angle AOB is equal to pi by 2, then again as we have done before, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square must be equal to 0. Now what is coefficient of x square in this equation? Coefficient of x square is 3c, 3 plus 2m by c, 3 plus 2m by c, and coefficient of y square is 3 plus 4 by c. This is equal to 0. If we take LCM, we will get 6c plus 2m plus 4 equal to 0. Finally we have 2 equal minus m minus 3c. We have another relation, this let's name this as L1. Now we have relation L1 and we assume chord as L. If we compare L1 and L, we will get y by 2, x by minus 1 and 1 by minus 3. So the point is 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. This is the required point from which all those chords of this curve which subtend right angle at origin are concurrent. So this is the required answer of second part.